everyone, I'm Ellie. Today we have new project. We're going to make Oreo pizza! Today I have about 72 pieces Oreo. We're going to melt butter, all of butter. So this is our butter. It's milk complete. So I'm going to put a little bit. See. And I got the container here. So we are going to do really huge pizza. So guys, this is our pizza base. It's Oreo cookie. Okay, let's put it inside the freezer. Now we are going to make our pizza cheese. Ta-da! This is Oreo cream inside Oreo cookie. So now we're going to put the marshmallow inside. And we're going to put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay, we're going to put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Now we add more marshmallow inside. 10 marshmallow. 8. Microwave 30 seconds. Really cool. Hurry, we need to stir it now. That's really perfect. Woohoo! Okay guys, so our mozzarella cheese is done. Now let's bring our cookie in the freezer. Now I'm going to remove it, but I feel a little bit scared. Okay guys, now let's remove our cookies, our pizza base. Oh my god, this is so amazing, it's bigger than my face. Now let's make pizza. You can use your hand to help as well, because in the beginning when you put cornstarch and with a marshmallow, it shouldn't stick on your hand. Now we're going to do decoration. We got this. Really cool. We're going to add some vegetable. Warm vegetable. Now we're going to put gummy bear. This is bear meat. Normally people use pork or chicken. Now we use bear. Pizza on the pizza! Should be very cute. Okay, now let's eat. It tastes really like Oreo. Cool. Let's put this. Ooh. how is our cheese? Oh my gosh. Ew! I feel so confused. This one is too big, I cannot eat alone. Oreo pizza party! Hello, pizza and the pizza. So guys, do you enjoy our Oreo pizza party today? Hey! If you have any comment, please leave the comment in the comment section below. Or you have more crazy DIY idea want me to know or want me to do, please leave your message in the comment section below. And don't forget to show us your result. So tell me guys, which kind of food you want to put on this pizza? Today I tried gummy, it's really delicious. And don't eat too much, friends. See you tomorrow, bye bye. Pizza!